everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is from recipes.instapot.com, and it is a homemade hamburger helper recipe. So yummy. It tastes just like I remember the box meals tasting. Just like my mom remembers the box meals tasting. Of course, she made hers allergy friendly, and it was really good. So I hope you guys give this one a try. If you like Hamburger Helper or you remember how that tastes, this is an almost exact replica or match to that flavor. So give it a whirl, and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Hope you guys have a great Monday. Chef Yoda the dog out.
Hey everyone, happy Monday. As Yoda said, the Monday meal today is another one from our Instapot YouTube page, recipes.instapot.com. The link will be in the description box below. This one is a homemade hamburger helper recipe, but it's actually going to be venison helper because that's the meat we have. And then obviously gluten-free pasta. So we're using 2 of these. You're supposed to have 16 ounces of pasta. I never have. None of these ever come in 16 ounces. So I always have to double it. So I'm changing the amount of liquids and things I'm putting in here as well. So instead of 2 cups of beef broth, I only had chicken. So I'm doing 4 cups of this. 1.5 tablespoons of onion powder, 1.5 tablespoons of garlic powder, and then 1 pound of ground venison. And you put the powder, onion and garlic, on there as it's cooking on the saute function. Then you cancel it. Then you pour in the broth and the pasta. You cover it up. Make sure it says venting. Yeah, that was wrong. You make sure it says the vent is closed. So you make sure it says sealing, because we're going to pressure cook it for 4 minutes. So manual, 4 minutes, and it's going. Okay, once the 4 minutes is up, you got a quick release. All right, so we finished the quick release, and then we poured in like 1.5 cups of half and half, which for us is going to be coconut milk. And then we did about 1 cup of this diet cheddar cheese slices. It says American cheese, but I don't have that kind right now of the non-dairy cheese, so I'm using cheddar. But I broke it up into pieces and put it in there, and then you stir it and let the cheese melt. And then you put in salt and pepper. Now, I'm doing a recipe and a half. So I did 3 teaspoons of sea salt and 3/4 of a teaspoon of ground white pepper. So that's what's in here. We're gonna put the lid back on. Just leave it on, keep warm, and let the cheese melt. We stirred it all up. And that's what we're gonna do. And then I'll show you one more ingredient. All right, so we added in some kale. It called for spinach if you wanted to. It's optional, but we added in kale because that's lower in oxalates than spinach. I steamed it in the bag in the microwave and then stirred it in. And then we also added some more cheese on top. So it is done. This is our finished product, and I have tried it. It tastes just like Hamburger Helper. I mean, that's pretty impressive, but it's a much healthier version. So I hope you guys give it a try. Thanks, Instapot Recipes. Happy Monday. Say goodbye, Yoda. Say bye. Happy Monday.